Hi, welcome to Test Science's course on reliability growth modeling for reliability analysts and operations specialists. Reliability growth is important as it provides a way to scientifically quantify the ability of a system, like a tank, a computer, and a ground combat vehicle, or a component of any of these systems, like the engine of a vehicle, or any piece of equipment to perform some required function under some given operating conditions for some specific amount of time. In other words, that something works when and where we want it to. So, say you're an engineer responsible for the construction and functionality of a military truck, like an LMTV. Reliability growth modeling will help determine the probability this LMTV successfully drives under a wide range of environmental conditions. Or perhaps you're more concerned with the maintenance of these vehicles, and part of your daily routine is to check on the engines. Reliability growth modeling will help quantify the degradation of your equipment and provide additional metrics you can leverage to decide where further maintenance expenditures should be spent. In general, reliability growth modeling provides supplementary metrics that can be used to make data-driven decisions rather than relying on intuition alone. In this course, I will be going over the modeling process from start to finish, from designing a test to drawing conclusions from the data. But before I jump into the modules, I'm Kate Sanborn, and I have a degree in statistics from NC State. I previously attended West Point with a concentration in operations research, and where I had the privilege to be a part of several military projects in this domain of reliability. As this field is traditionally seen as an engineering discipline, I will be giving the more practical statistical perspective on how to build a reliability growth model and how to leverage its results for robust decision making. I will be going over examples, diving into details, and making sure you have everything you need to apply what you're learning here on the job. This course will have 4 lessons. In the first lesson, I will be giving you an overview of what reliability growth modeling is and what it can and can't be used for. I will also go over an example of a reliability growth model from start to finish so that you can see what the whole process looks like. In this example, I will first choose a metric for capturing reliability, review the statistics for this metric, then, given this choice, design an experiment, a test, to collect the data needed to measure reliability and finally analyze the results and how to draw valid conclusions. Each subsequent lesson of this course will dive into more detail on a particular part of the process. Now, you don't need any prior experience with reliability growth modeling to understand these modules, because I'll be covering this subject from the ground up. You also don't need any programming experience to execute these models, as a lot of what I use is readily available and implemented in software. I will specifically use open source or free software to analyze data so you can easily replicate the analyses I conduct here. Introductory knowledge of statistics, on the other hand, will be helpful in terms of understanding some of the derivations of the reliability models I use, as well as understanding the random variation of data in general. Within the instructor's notes, you will find supplementary links that you could reference if there's any kind of statistics you'd like to brush up on. Now, throughout the course, I will be referring to examples again and again, giving you opportunities to practice what you'll be learning. I will also be having conversations with reliability experts throughout their experiences in this field. Let's meet one now.